Hello, this is a short video presentation on solving systems of equations by substitution where we have special cases. Alright, remembering from yesterday, we need to solve one of these equations for x or y, looking for a coefficient of 1. So I have a minus 1 here. I'm going to solve this equation for y. So 2x minus y equals 4. I'm going to subtract 2x. And I get negative y equals negative 2x plus 4. And I divide by negative 1 or multiply, your call, doesn't matter. I get y equals 2x minus 4. This is what y equals. I substitute this into my other equation for y. So I end up with negative 4x plus 2 times the quantity, 2x minus 4, equals negative 8. And I solve. Negative 4x plus 4x minus 2 times 4 is 8 equals negative 8. Negative 4x plus 4x, some of you struggle with this, but negative 4x plus 4x cancel and it's 0. Some of you write x. So I get 0 minus 8 equals negative 8, or negative 8 equals negative 8. Now, don't lose sight of what we were trying to do. We were solving for x. And my variable died. It's gone. All right? When we lose our variable, we lose the variable. And we get a true statement. True statement. It's infinite solutions. All right? Infinite solutions. And by a true statement, I mean negative 8 does equal negative 8. Now let's look at this. 2x minus y equals 4. And if I had taken negative 4x plus 2y equals negative 8 and divided by negative 2, I would have ended up with 2x minus y equals 4. And notice that this equation here and this equation here are in fact the same equation, hence infinite solutions. All right, let's go to our next case. This one looks like it'll be a little easier. This equation has no negative there. So we have x plus 3y equals 9 minus 3y. And we end up with x equals negative 3y plus 9. I substitute this in for x. Yep, right there. I get negative 2 times the quantity, negative 3y plus 9, minus 6y equals negative 12. 6y minus 18 minus 6y equals negative 12. Negative 6y and positive 6y cancel. I get negative 18 equals negative 12. This is a false statement. When you lose the variable, and get a false statement, the answer is no solution. And again, if we did what we did last time, and if we looked at the, let's see here, if we looked at these equations, if I divided by -2, divided by -2, divided by -2, I'd end up with x plus 3y equals 6, which means that I'm going to end up with the same slope but a different y-intercept. So I'm going to end up with parallel lines here, but a different y-intercept. They will never intersect. It's no solution. All right? No solution. All right. That's all there is to this. Pretty simple. We'll do a few more of these on Monday, and we'll move on.